Hello, color pencil nerd. How are you today? So these are Holbein colored pencils, and I received them and their newer product, Meltz, the Meltz pen. Actually, there it is right there. I was at our Chicago chapter of the Colored Pencil Society, in which I actually just got nominated president. So, yay! Anyway, there was an artist there, David Becker, representing Holbein, and he was demonstrating their new Meltz pen and with the colored pencils. Now, this pen works. It's a blender, it's a solvent, it works with oil-based pencils, so only oil-based pencils. So the Holbein pencils that I have here, I got the red, blue, and yellow, the primary colors. So I decided to come home and paint some, or yeah, it's like painting, draw some beautiful mushrooms here. So the pen differs from odorless mineral spirits is that when it's dissolved, it's almost like water instead of like dissolving wax, melting wax. This is more like a watercolor pencil that it looks like when it kind of. So here is a good example. I'm using it on its side to kind of get a grass effect, and you can see how thin it is, and you really don't need a heavy hand at all. So it's very different from odorless mineral spirits, more like a water. It turns the oil pencil into more like a watercolor pencil. So if that interests you at all, then this product could be for you. I will have the products that I used in the information below. I hope you enjoyed this quick little demo.